Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to reload your OnePay card at Walmart. If you are using the OnePay app, open it and go to the cash control section. Select Deposit Cash. You may need to enable your location or enter your zip code. Then choose Walmart as the store. The app will generate a scannable barcode. Plan your visit to Walmart. Go to the Money Center, Customer Service Desk, or any staff checkout lane. These are the places where you can add cash to your card. When you are at the register, tell the associate you want to reload your OnePay card. If you are using the barcode from the app, show it to the cashier. A valid ID may be needed. If you are using the physical card, hand it to the cashier. Next, tell the cashier how much money you want to deposit. Most stores allow deposits from $20 up to $1,000, but check your card's limits. The cashier will scan your barcode or swipe your card and process the transaction. Once the cashier has scanned your barcode or card, give them the cash you want to deposit. That is all you need to do to reload your OnePay card at Walmart. Thanks for watching.